So you are thinking of starting your first online store and you kind of have no idea what products you should be selling for your store. In this video, we're gonna walk through 9 different product niche types that are gonna be really great to start in 2023. If you are new here, be sure to tap that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. My name is Carrie Fitzgerald and I am an e-commerce and product business coach, mentor, and your best friend in this whole e-commerce business space. Okay guys, let's dive right into it. So I would say one of the top questions I get asked in my programs, in my coaching client calls is, what product business do I start? So we have another video that can walk you through how to start an e-commerce business in about 30 days. So if you haven't watched that video, definitely be sure to check that out. We'll tag that in this video. But it can be hard to figure out what kind of business you should start. And it really depends on your interest. What can you picture yourself talking about pretty much every single day? Because this is a business. You have to put in the time, you have to market the business. So what can you stomach talking about? I always tell people hobbies, go to hobbies. What are the hobbies that people like to do? What is a hobby that you like to do that you could sell a product that aligns with that hobby? Hobbies are things that people do for fun, that they enjoy, that they like. There's always going to be products that relate to a hobby, and people always pay money to basically do things that make what they like to do easier or things like that. So with that said, let's dive into 9 different types of niches that you could start a business on. So let's dive into it. So the first one is going to be jewelry. So you can see here, I'm wearing a really cute little compass necklace that I bought from a small business, and I love it so much. I'm gonna tag them in the show notes below. But jewelry is a really easy business to kind of get into. You can really be specific on the niche or the type of jewelry that you want to do, and you can kind of go from there. So who's my ideal customer? What kind of jewelry do they like? Do I want to do gold? Do I want to do silver? Do I want to do personalized jewelry? Do I want to do rings, bracelets, necklaces? The options are endless and the opportunities are endless. So jewelry is going to be a niche that's kind of always in style, always available to people. People always want to buy jewelry. So my number one product idea for 2023, if you're looking to get into some kind of a niche or a product, is jewelry. Okay, number 2, anything in the eco-friendly or sustainable niche. More and more people are wanting to support brands that are eco-friendly or sustainable. For example, I like to think of business ideas pretty much on a daily basis, and I'm always thinking of my next product business idea. Recently, I was like, I wanted to start a business where I can sell metal straws, reusable straws. I drink iced coffee every single day. Cold brew or iced coffee is part of my daily regimen. And, you know, I don't like to use plastic straws. I try to avoid them as much as possible. Do I use them? Yes, sometimes. So I thought, you know what, I should do a business selling metal straws. They're reusable. People can buy them. They can get, you know, a set for their car, et cetera, et cetera. So just an example I wanted to share of something that I've thought of recently, because I think that's always relevant and relatable. But eco-friendly sustainability, more and more people want to support products that are sustainable, that are eco-friendly, that are good for the environment, that are plastic free. So if there's a product that you have in mind that can be one of those things, whether it's metal straws or it's a, you know, children's lunchbox that's made of stainless steel, that is a good product to get into, because as we get more and more into global warming and the fact that we're killing the polar bears, we need to be caring more about the environment and what products that we sell. So that is my number 2 idea, is sustainability or anything in the eco-friendly space. Okay. Number 3 is going to be another one that's kind of just dependent on what it is, and it's a personalized thing. So I like to think of a product business as something that you can scale, but personalized items will always be something that people want. So whether that is an engraved ring, a wedding ring, whether it's an engraved necklace, whether it is a personalized candle or a, you know, a piece of clothing like a sweatshirt with a slogan on it. Things that are personalized with people's names, people will always like that kind of stuff. So that's my product idea number 3, is a personalized item. So whether it's like a mug, a jewelry, accessory, a sweatshirt, apparel, things like that. Okay, let's dive into number 4. which is one of my absolute favorite things in the whole world, is pet products. So the pet industry continues to freaking boom. Every single day, people want to buy more and more and more pet things. So you pick the pet in mind: dog, cat, rabbit, guinea pig, goat, whatever. Go with one pet. Don't be the pet for everyone. You're not going to be the pet store that sells dog stuff and cat stuff and rabbit stuff and guinea pigs. Choose one thing and double down. So for example, recently again, I was looking up some products on Alibaba and I was like, ooh, I could sell these really cool cat carrier backpacks. I don't have a cat, I'm a dog person, but the margins were really, really good. And I can just see people, like, I feel like you could take a cat carrier and you could kind of make it fun. You could really have fun with the marketing and things like that. So I always think how you market a product is the way that you will sell it. However, if we're just talking about product ideas, I do think the pet industry is a no-brainer. My first business was a pet-related product, and I can tell you without a doubt, having a product in the pet space, in particular dogs, is like the best thing ever. Marketing to pet people is super, super fun. So pets are going to be my number 4 because anything with the pet, people will continue to buy for their pets, especially I would say dogs or cats. But honestly, if we want to be really niche, you could be super specific and target to like horses or rabbits, or what are other animals that people have as pets, whatever that is, depending on where in the world or country or part of the US that you live in, that could be a really cool option for you. Okay, going on the list at number 5 is beauty and skincare. So this is again another no-brainer product. Kind of like the demand for beauty products and skincare just continues to grow more and more. More and more people are wanting to, more and more people care about what they're putting on their body, on their skin. So I do think like more organic, all natural product ranges will be just something that people want to buy more of. So I think beauty and skincare is another one that is a no-brainer. It's always going to be available for people. The next one's going to be health and wellness. So again, with other areas and industries kind of booming, health and wellness is one of the top industries. Health and wellness, beauty, pet, electronics, these are always going to be really, really popular, but health and wellness. So whether that is like selling CBD gummies or selling a workout clothing or selling something like that within that space, that's going to be something that people will continue to want to buy. So that makes it a great product to sell. Okay, the next one on the list is fashion and apparel. So clothing companies, always, always, always a great product to start. The biggest thing with any of these ideas are, who is your ideal customer? How can you do things a little bit different than your competitors? But I think with clothing and apparel, you want to have a customer in mind. So whether you are targeting, like you're doing plus size lingerie, or you're doing, comfy clothing for the work at home type of person, whether you want to do a clothing or apparel brand, you want to be really specific on who you're targeting. So if you want to do, again, like the work at home comfy clothes for the person who works at home, or you want to do something for the traveler, or you want to have clothing for the person who lives at the gym, you want to kind of pick a niche and pick a lane and kind of stick with that. Okay, next up is baby products. So baby products are rapidly growing continuously. More and more people have babies and need new products. And we're sort of seeing this shift with baby products where more people want more people are looking for more modern baby products and not like the olden day tacky things. So we see more baby brands that are focused more on like beiges and neutrals and just this more modern feel. But baby products are going to always be something that people need. And when it comes to choosing a product for your e-commerce business, ideally you want it to be something that people are always searching for. Baby, health and wellness, skincare, pet stuff. This is stuff that people always need. And the good thing with baby stuff is, people go through the baby stuff. So if you sell like eco-friendly diapers, or you're selling baby cloths, or you have baby blankets. Maybe you could personalize a baby blanket. So there's so much opportunity, honestly, with all of these industries. Okay, the next one is going to be outdoor and adventure products. So people are being more active outside. They're doing more things outside, like whether it's hiking, camping, going on backpacking trips, going in their RV, especially too if you're looking at people in the US and you're looking at different states, like the West Coast, huge into like outdoors, hiking, just doing all sorts of things outside, especially like Pacific Northwest. If we're looking at like Washington, Oregon, kayaking, hiking, just being outdoors in the trees, in nature. Very, very popular in this part of the country. I'm in Seattle, by the way. So there's just endless opportunities. If you are in an outdoor adventure brand and you're targeting people who love camping, you can literally sell a variety of things that cater to the camping niche. So whether you, again, want to do baby industry, fashion industry, hiking, outdoors, pick one person in mind. What does that person need to make their camping adventures better? What does that person need to make their skincare routine easier? What does that mom need to make life with her baby easier? And those are the products that you choose. You always want to look at, how can I solve a pain point for someone? How can I make someone's life easier? How can I save them time or money? Or how can I provide some sort of a transformation? That is going to be the winning product for your business. So if you love this video, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be posting videos every single Thursday. And if you have not downloaded my free guide, I have 2 free guides for you. One is going to be how to start and launch your Shopify store in 30 days. And then one is going to be a Shopify launch checklist. So you know all the things you need to set up on your Shopify store to launch your business. If you have any questions or you have any video requests, be sure to drop those in the comments below. And I will see you guys later. Thank you so much.